In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles to a Loom video. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it. Adding subtitles can enhance the accessibility of your videos, allowing a broader audience to engage with your content. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Loom. You will see various results related to Loom. These may include articles, forums, or the official website. Make sure to navigate to the correct link that directs you to the Loom homepage. This is crucial because using the official site ensures you have the latest features and updates available for your videos. Once you find the right link, click on it to access the Loom website. This will take you directly to the platform where you can manage your video content. A clean, user-friendly interface should greet you. This is important as it allows you to easily navigate through your options without feeling overwhelmed. Next, you need to log in to your Loom account. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials such as your email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, there will be a link to help you reset it. Logging in gives you access to your videos and settings, which is essential for adding subtitles to your content. After logging in, the next step is to open your Loom library. This is where all your recorded videos are stored. You can find it on the main dashboard or navigation menu. Once you are in your Loom library, you'll see thumbnails of your videos. This area is significant because it keeps all your content organized and easily accessible, making it straightforward to locate the video you want to edit. Now, click on the video you wish to add subtitles to. This action will open the video player with options for editing. You will see the video playback along with various editing tools. Selecting the correct video is crucial as you only want to modify the subtitles for the specific content you are focusing on. Next up, locate and click on Settings. This is represented by a gear icon on the right side panel of the video player. Clicking on this icon will open a menu with various options related to the video. This step is important because it leads you to the necessary settings where you can enable captions. From there, click on Audience. This option is typically found within the Settings menu. Once you click on Audience, a new set of options will appear. This step is vital as it directly pertains to how your viewers will interact with your video, including subtitle visibility. Finally, toggle on Turn on Captions. This option allows Loom to generate closed captions for your video. By enabling this feature, you ensure that your audience can read along with the audio, making your content more accessible. This is particularly important for viewers who are hard of hearing or non-native speakers. Once you have toggled on the captions, you can be assured that your changes are saved automatically. This process completes the steps needed to add subtitles to your Loom video. You have now made your video more inclusive and engaging for all viewers. Thank you for following along.